Good day, ma'am and sir. I am High Grade Patongao Rosite, 33 years old, married, and has 3 children, ages 15-year-old boy, 10-year-old boy, and my youngest is 8 years old girl. I am an undergraduate of computer programming at SIA. I have a working experience as a maid here in Kalinga, Philippines from January 2022 up to December 2025. I served there 5 members of the family. 2 adults and 3 children, ages 12-year-old girl, 9-year-old boy, and 6 years old girl. My job responsibility there was taking good care of the kids, tutoring them, house cleaning, washing and ironing clothes. I finished my contract to my employer because my main focus now is to apply there at Hong Kong as a domestic helper. I am fond of kids. And I am also fond of pets like cats and dogs. I am also willing to take good care of elderly, baby or child caring, and disabled caring. I am willing to share rooms with children and other maids. I don't have any skin and food allergies. I don't have any serious illnesses. And most of all, I don't have vices. To my future employer, if you give me a chance to work for you, I'll assure you that I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities responsibly. Thank you and God bless.